What's up, everybody? Guess what I got today? Ooh, boy. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. I guess this is going to be the first episode of the Supra build. So we're gonna see what we have to install, what kind of parts we're gonna, I don't fucking know, make some power, more power. It's pretty much all plastic, but there is an engine. It's just a plastic engine. What's in the box? The workbench is obviously too tall for me in this box. Let's see what this is. Nice carbon fiber inlet. We have a donut. Sweet. Clamps and hardware. A single coupler. A box, which I'm guessing this has the filter in it. Filter. AMS dry carbon intake. Alright, now we got everything out of the box. We have the dry carbon inlet. We have this fancy silicone coupler, which looks like it's molded for something perfectly. I don't know. We'll see. We have the donut. This is just for in here to sit in so that the inlet can go into it, make it look all nice, make it actually a useful cold air intake, and not let any hot engine bay temperatures in, and that's a good thing. Alright, coolest thing about taking the whole stock intake off is the only thing you need is a flathead. So now you can see we have the entire air box out. Now we just need to work on getting the actual inlet out. It's super easy. There is a little clip style down there connecting to the turbo inlet, and then you have another little hose down there that's a pinch that you just need to take off for the I believe it's for the PCV, maybe. Alright, so this is the intake out of the car. First things first, if you weren't able to see, is you need to take all these clips off here to get access to the bottom And there's one right here. And then you want to take this, wow, terrible, off. There we go. And basically you just want to pull the filter out, or don't, doesn't really matter to me. You want to pull this whole section out. Now there's going to be little grommets. These guys are going to want to stick to here, here, and here. Pull those out. This is what's the most difficult. This little clip here is on the back side, so it actually sits like that up into the intake. So you want to get behind the intake, grab onto this, and pull it out of the way, because these little clips here is what holds on to the turbo inlet. There's also another little pinch tab right here. You just want to pinch it, pull it off, and a little piece of the harness sits right here. Once you get those three things out, this piece just comes off, and you end up with all of this room for activities. What you want to do before you toss your stock intake to the side is you want to pull your MAF out. We have this sweet little Supra kit here we're going to use for that. Probably a little bit overkill for such tiny bolts. That's it. Alright, so this was the coupler that was all perfectly molded inside. And as you can kind of see, if the camera would focus, there we go, that it is a perfect fit for the little inlet tube down there. So you put this guy on there, and it clips on perfectly. See? Pretty sweet. Alright guys, well, here it is, all installed. We got that lower clamp on, which was kind of a pain in the dick, but it is what it is. Aftermarket stuff never fits perfect, but it sure does look pretty. So we had to, there's a little bit of rubbing between the clamp and the intercooler pipe going up to the throttle body there, but it's not a problem. We just pulled this out a little bit to create a little bit of room. We pulled the inlet over a little bit and was able to get the clamp in the correct position and tighten down. And then we were able to get all of this sat down where it's supposed to. You obviously, if your intake takes all these little rubber grommets with it, which it probably will, you want to take those off of your stock intake and reinstall them into your car so that your new intake can sit in them all nice and dampened so it doesn't rattle. But yeah, this is it. This is the finished product. Not too bad looking, huh? What's up?